real quick while we wait. No music, no music, no music. Alright, let's wash these dishes. Yo, what's up, Alex? Also, she put it on this side. See how this looks. I gotta put on a shirt.
Moncados.
What happened? What did that say? Moncatia, yeah. Exactly. Moncatios is right. I mean, if they ban me while I'm wearing a Twitch shirt, then I don't know. At that point, I guess it's fucking. Alright, let's wash these dishes. We need a couple of them. So this is a. I'm not gonna talk too much while I do this cooking stream, because I like to commentate over them, like I like to rewatch them. But basically, this is my first attempt at ever making French toast. We're gonna look up a recipe. Hopefully, we have all the ingredients necessary, and then yeah, we're gonna make it. First step to cooking is cleaning up. Before you cook, always clean. After you cook, you clean. While you cook, you clean. You always want to have a clean area. And that's not just for that's almost anything. Thank you for the bits. That goes for almost anything you do in life. You want to have you just want it to be clean.
Take my last bits real quick.
Yeah, thank you for the bits again, Alex. Alright, we're gonna keep this up. Maybe we'll make like some type of veggie fruit drink or something. I need to buy more sponges. Don't let me forget when I do a desktop stream. Remind me I need more sponges. We need sponges. We need forks, and we need stuff to go swimming in, and we need workout clothes. Somebody like that down. Workout clothes, swim trunks. Workout clothes, swim trunks. Some forks and some sponges. Nice. When you're done washing dishes, make sure you rinse the soap out. Let's see if I can show you how you fucking dog. Make sure you rinse all the soap out. Wring the rag out. Yeah, thank you again for the bits, Alex. Alright, babe. That's done. That's done. Now let's see. Now let's get to this part. This is from like last night or something. Alright, let's look up a recipe. I'll sub when you are clean for. Alright, let's see. So what do we need? I know we need eggs. You're gonna need some eggs for sure. Eggs for sure. Alright, let's see. Let's look up a recipe. French toast recipe. Alright, let's see what we get. French toast, Food Network. Alright, so we need we need ground cumin or some shit. The fuck is that? The fuck is a cumin? Nutmeg. Okay, we need eggs, butter, milk. Eggs, butter, milk. Eggs, butter. Some goddamn milk. Where the milk at? All I got is almond milk. Alright. Eggs, butter, milk. Nice. Let's move the spatula. Alright, let's let's see what else we need. Eggs, buttermilk. Oh shit. Eggs, buttermilk. We need bread, maple syrup, vanilla extract. All right, let's see what we got. So we need cinnamon. It said cinnamon, right? Cinnamon. Turmeric, is that one of them? I was like cumin or some cumin. Paprika. Chipotle. Oh, here it is, ground cumin. See, I got all seasoning. And look what's in the back. Oh, look at that. Bam. Cumin and nutmeg. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Life lessons with Dankquan. Alright, what else we need? Let's see, we got the butter. Oh, y'all can't even read that. We got the butter. We're going to need sugar, vanilla extract. Oh, I do got that. Look at that. God, it's fucking good. Vanilla extract. We could actually make, oh my God, I'm getting the floor so wet. I'm getting the floor wet. Okay, nice. And now we just need some sugar and bread. Sugar. Oh, we don't have bread? No way. No, man. Oh, no, that's not bread. Oh my God. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. I am so triggered. I'm so triggered. Can you do it with tortillas? Yeah, we're just gonna do it with tortillas. We have to. We're just gonna do French toast tortillas. Fuck it. Alright, let's do this. Alrighty, so let's see. Let's see what we got going on. Alright, now we gotta make our little concoction. Un momento. Alright, so we're going to be making French toast. We got our vanilla extract. Fortunately, we have no bread. How that happens, I don't know. Cumin. Oh, man. Ground nutmeg. Cinnamon. Damn, I'm so mad we don't have bread. Okay, milk, butter, and eggs. Oh, my God. Did I get money today? Can I even go to the store and buy bread? Dude, and the floor is like getting fucking drenched. What am I doing? French toast literally goofy. French toast is ghetto already. Ghetto French toast. It'll be okay. I mean, it's easy to make. All right, perfect. All right, let's do this. So what do? It takes an hour to cook it. How? Oh, this is in the oven. I don't want an oven. I don't want to do it in the oven. Oh, French toast. Here we go. In a small bowl, combine cinnamon, nutmeg, and sugar. In a bowl, get cinnamon, nutmeg, and sugar. All right. Where should I put the camera? How should I record myself? All right, bet. Just like that. Straight like that. All right, bet. Let's get a bowl. We're going to have to wipe this floor off. This is crazy. All right, we need a bowl. Bowl required. All right, so in a bowl, combine cinnamon, nutmeg, and sugar. We got our spoon. Feel me, nutmeg. How much does it say? It says a fourth of a teaspoon. I'm just gonna assume that's like that much. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Was this the cinnamon? Oh no, that's cinnamon. Here go the cinnamon. Oh shit. That's a lot. All right, cinnamon. Let's see. It don't say nothing about cumin. I guess you just put a little bit of that in there too. Fuck it. All right, nice. That's just cumin. Ugh, that shit smell weird. That smells so musty. What is? Seasoning for soup, salads, marinades, and stew. Why do I put that on French toast? Anyways, set aside in a 10-inch or 12-inch skillet, melt butter over medium heat. Whisk together cinnamon mixture, eggs, milk, and vanilla. Okay. Oh my God, cumin smell nasty. Cumin smell nasty as fuck. All right, let's do this. So we gotta turn this motherfucker on. Is this even clean? Oh, let's rinse this out real quick. Do this like this real quick. Dun, da, da, dun. Do that like that real quick. Bam. Actually, I don't want to use that. I don't know if that's clean. All right, let's do this. Why my stick doing that? There we go. I'll see you later. Gonna hit the gym. All right, enjoy. What is this shit doing, bro? Sit your ass still. All right, there we go. All right, this pan look ashy too. This don't look no better. All right, how much butter? Melt butter. It don't say how much. 4 tablespoons of butter. 4 tablespoons. How big is that? What kind of spoon is this? A table? Should I get a different pan? Yeah, this pan is kind of sus. You right. You right, bro. Alright. Is that 4 tablespoons? Probably not. This shit got like paper all on it. There we go. Yeah, let's see. Oh, there we go. That should be 4 tablespoons. That look about right. That look like 4 tablespoons to y'all or no? It's close. It's close for sure. Song request if you press !SR. It'll give you instructions on how to get your song request. Alright, so let's see what it says. In a tin of melt butter over medium heat, whisk together cinnamon mixture, eggs, milk, and vanilla. Alright. Can y'all see this? Oh, y'all can't see the bowl. Let me get y'all a bowl view. Y'all need to see the bowl. Y'all need to see the bowl. Alright, here we go. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Okay, there we go. Alrighty. Do that like that. And then let's see, we need some vanilla extract. How much vanilla extract do we need? Half a teaspoon. How the fuck you open this? thought it was like, oh my god, that's too much. Okay, that's okay. Some milk. Alright, nice. Oh shit, this bowl kind of little. Oh shit, I'm spilling it. Yeah, thank you for the sub. Who was that? Welcome back,
RV
Pains.
Trip 3.
Welcome back, Stummy Pains. Yo, get me on the RV. It sounds fun. If Ice is going, get me on there. It's not really mixing. I think I need a fork, but we don't have a fork. Am I doing it? I don't think it's really mixing. Is it mixed? Alright, maybe we need a bigger bowl. I think my butter is burning. Oh my god. We don't have a fork. You don't destroy my stove. Alright, bet. We got that. Alright, let's see. So, what's the next step? Let's see. Blah, blah, blah. Pour into a shallow container such as a pie plate. Okay, now we dip our bread in there. We dip our bread in this and cook it on that. Where'd our bread go? Here go the bread. Here go the bread. Hold on. How many should we make? Take a piece of tortilla, put that in the mixture. Oh yeah, there you go. That motherfucking nice. That motherfucking nice in. Oh yeah, get your ass in there, boy. Oh yeah. That's just milk, no egg. What you mean? What you mean, boy? What you talking about? Hold your breath. I'm chefing right now. Don't you see I'm busy? Look at that. What you talking about, boy? See all that egg on there? I smell the egg cooking. All that good ass cinnamon. We need another plate. Here we go. There go one. There we go. Here we go. Get that motherfucker nice and cinnamoned up. There we go. here with it. Oh my God. Hold on. There we go. There we go. There we go. I think we need more butter. We need some more butter. How many should we make? Why does it look nasty? It's cinnamon. Just shut up, hexacorn. Stop paying attention. Why my stick all loose? Hold on real quick. My stick tweaking. Oh my God. What the fuck? Oh, there we go. Whoa, what is it doing? What is it doing? Yo, come back. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, there we go. Let's do this. We gotta let it sit for a little while. It smells really good. It's real cinnamony. Oh, I didn't put no sugar. I forgot the sugar. That's probably going to be important. See the egg on it? Come on, bro. Stop being weird. Come on, get off of here. Oh, shit. I wonder if the egg even cooking. I ain't turn up the fire. Motherfucker probably not even cooked. Alright, let's get one more. This should be good right here. This is about to be a fire breakfast. Oh shit, we gotta take those out first. Hold on. Alright, let's come back here. Let's get, flip this guy over one more time. Oh yeah, this one ready to tear. That one ready. There we go. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's get this last one out the way. Yeah, it's all good. We're gonna clean up. Part of cleaning is cleaning up. Well, part of cooking is cleaning up. What do you do with all this? All the leftover stuff? Just throw it away. I'm making French toast. I didn't have no bread, so I used tortillas. It's the same thing though, really, if you think about it. This is just a mixture. Look, I used the recipe. Like, it's official, bro. We got pictures and shit. We don't got cereal, but this what happened to the cereal. All the cereal gone. Alright, that's done. I guess you just pour this down the sink. Alright, now we gotta clean up real quick. Bonkers. Now let's see. Just keep trying, boom. Something. Nice. You know that feeling when you cook for all your loved ones and someone in the back says who they. Is that what you're saying? It's like that right now. You could have made your own food, pussy. Ain't nobody tell you to sit there and wait for me to cook. Hold on. I think I'm about to break my stick. My hands are so wet. Hold on. Dry off. I don't think this stick is that how you dude, why won't this stick go down? I think I broke it. Oh, there we go. Holy fuck. Alright, sin. I don't even know if I'm gonna eat that. Maybe put some money, but that should look kind of nasty. I think I'm gonna just make a protein shake or some shit. Then you just got here. I made some French toast. We made French toast today. Why does my stick do that, bro? It's so weird. I hate. That's one thing about gimbals, bro. When they start to die, it is the stupidest stick ever. There's literally no functionality when a gimbal is dying. Sad part is it still has 2 out of 3 bars. This shit childish. Thank you. Please work, bro. Alright, there we go. Let's see. What y'all talking about? Y'all childish? What are they saying? Just fuck around and fuck with you. I mean, I think I did good. It smells good. I mean, that's how they came out. They look cinnamony and shit. They got eggs on it or something. Like, that one smell kind of weird. Some of them like super soggy. Yeah, I don't know about that. We didn't have, I don't know. We didn't have bread, so I had to improvise. But, we gotta wipe off the stove, too. Yeah, I didn't have bread availability. Unfortunately, somebody used it all right before I tried to make it. Don't eat it. Like I said, if somebody pays me, I'll try some of it. I mean, I'm kind of hungry though, so I might. It's like a crepe or a good point. That's what I should have looked up. See, you smart. Nobody said that in chat. Just make crepes. We could have just made some crepes. I don't have cheese. I don't have cheese for quesadillas, bro. Let's wipe this shit off. This shit look nasty. Oh, that was hot. Oh my god, that was so hot. Oh my god, that was so hot. Oh my god. I think I just burned skin off my finger. You ever gonna say what up? What do you mean, like stream snipe? Not really a stream sniper. But yeah, I'm sure I'll hang out with him again. Why, is that where you're at right now? Are you at Ice's house? Alright, let's see. It's still kind of dirty. Hold on. Alright, that's deep. That's good enough, goddammit. Let's see. Alright, let's do this. Rinse this shit up. Alright, let's make one of these. Y'all know what a magic bullet is? Hopefully I don't shock myself. Alright, let's put the milk away. And let's find some vegetables or something. Alright, let's see what we got. Milk goes here. Butter goes there or something. Alright, let's see what we got. We got an apple, a rotten orange, it looks like. Fuck is this? grapes. Got carrots. Wait, should I use the almond milk? I should probably use the almond milk. Okay. What else do I need? Do we got protein powder? We got oats. Use some oats. What else we got? What's this? High protein. Is this good? Chocolate? That's probably gonna ruin the flavor. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we got. Then I fucked up, bitch, and let me do me. All that I knew, and all that there. Then I fucked up, bitch, and let me do me. Is that good? I wonder how much of this chocolate should even use. Do I put a whole banana in there? This is how Dankquan eats breakfast. Dude, hopefully our French toast is good. All this water on the floor, that's a damn shame. What the fuck is it? Press that down some of that in there. How we looking? Now just put some oatmeal. How the fuck? Alright, that should be good. Alright, nice. Alright, let's see how this works out. Let's see how this works. Dun, dun, dun. What the fuck is this? Oh, it got like a ring on it. Hold on. So we making an instant lax. This about to taste so good. The grapes, the banana. Are y'all ready? Let's see how this works. All the chocolate. Okay, let's clean up, and then we're gonna do a desktop stream of us tasting our food. Wish me luck. Alright, let's put this back. Put some peanut butter. I don't have any peanut butter. Let's see. I don't know where y'all be thinking I got all types of groceries. Like I'll just be at the store all day shopping for a family. Okay, while my stick keeps deciding it doesn't want to work, I'll be right back. Let's just take it off the stick at this point. Alright. Oh no, he put green grapes in it. Is that bad? Look at the floor, dude. It's not even funny. Where the fuck did I find this? Shit was like way back there or something. There go my French toast. It don't even taste like sugar. Oh yeah, I still gotta sprinkle sugar in it. We never put sugar. Yeah, let's see, some sugar. We don't got sugar. How don't we have sugar? What does sugar even look like? That's flour. Coconut flour. Alright, whatever. Alright, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Let's do this again. Nice. Alrighty, this way. Alright, let's go eat. Let's go eat, boys. Let's put this in there. That's probably how I got water all over the floor. Alright. Let's go get a towel real quick, clean the floor. Let's go put this in the room. Put this in the room. I got a towel in here. Yeah, good shit. Is that which one is better? I don't know what it is. Which one is the best one? Yeah, it's water. I just got done swimming. I didn't think of drying off. Thought I was already kind of dry. Alright, nice. Aren't they about 100? Or is wait, they're cheap? What happened? I just spilled water. Here, let's put this in the dirty clothes first. Alright, I'm about to go live on my computer. Let's taste the food. Let's taste the food. Be right back, be right back, be right back, be right back, be right back.